Today we are putting a third strand of wire on our fence where the baby calves are because they have been getting out like crazy. So, you want to tell them what you're doing?
I'm just putting a third strand of electrical wire, so.
Yeah, because before it was just this top one and the bottom one, and they were like jumping between. And then we tried to put this one up top, but then they started coming underneath. So now there's a third strand of wire, and this should keep them in, because they kind of like this grass. I don't know what kind of grass this is, but it's just very soft and it's really rich, and they kind of try to get under the fence to get that. But yeah, there's Lovable and Ranger. Daisy's in the field somewhere. I don't know where. Hey, Ranger, come here. It's okay. Oh, he won't hurt you. They're starting to growl and bark now, what they think is dangerous. Huh. Oh, he's okay. And then there's baby girl in the field, and y'all, it's so cute. Our neighbors have cows. Y'all probably know that. But they had a calf, and he or she, I don't know. She's so cute. It's so cute. It's just so cute. I don't know if I'll be able to show y'all, but in the field way over there, the baby calf is just so adorable. Huh, Ranger? What do you think? You've been thinking a lot about these cows lately, huh? They interesting? Hey. Hey, you. You're getting sweeter every day. Look at Ranger, y'all. He's swimming in the pond. Is that fun, Ranger? He's so funny. Are you having fun? That's the first time I've seen him like swim. I've seen him like splash on the side, but never like in the way too set. That's why you're always muddy. You swim in the pond.
Yeah.
You're smart for when it's hot outside. And he's back in the pond. It's so funny. It just rained last night, y'all, and everything is just so wet, but it's really pretty. Like the dew on the flowers and the leaves, it's just really pretty. But the thing is, every time I come outside, because the grass is so tall, like a foot tall when I walk through the grass, I have to change my skirt like every time I come outside. So I have to change it again, because look at it. It's just really wet, and yeah, so I'm gonna have to change it for the second time today. And it's only like 10 o'clock in the morning, so it's kind of scary. Hey y'all, me and Mark are now back outside, and we're gonna milk baby girl, the Texas boy's cow. So Mark is gonna go let her out in the pasture, and she's gonna come walk in here, and we're gonna milk her. So that's what we're doing right now. She's all done being milked. She made about 2 gallons, maybe a little bit over than 2 gallons. And yeah, so Mark is over there hooking up Posey and Nellie, and then we're gonna take them to the pasture. You ready? Ready to get out of this? Okay, back up. Good girl. day we also decided to move the electrical netting so that the chickens will have more grass. We moved it from the one side of the gate to the other side of the gate, so we had to take it all out, and Mark took out the grounding rod and we had to move that and re-put that in on the other side of the kennel. And yeah, we just pretty much just rolled up the fencing, and then we just threw the fence right back on up, and they have, it seems like, a lot bigger area than they did before. But we just moved it all around, and it was pretty simple. It probably took us only like 30 minutes. And yeah, and they look really happy now. As soon as I opened the gate, they all just came out, and I think they are really enjoying it with all the fresh grass, and it's just, the ground is really moist and there's just dew all over the grass, and I think they're really enjoying getting all the fresh bugs and everything. So yeah, I think the chickens are happy to be in a new fresh patch of grass. Right now, me and Mark are making banana bread muffins because we are going to be going to a farmer's market tomorrow and we're going to be selling them. So we're just working on it. It's all right here. And then we're also going to be doing kombucha again because last week we did kombucha. So we're going to do that again because that did pretty good. So yeah, it's pretty neat. Tell us, Mark, how they're doing.
They're doing wonderful.
We are done making the muffins, y'all, and I made how many? 39. 39 muffins. So that is really awesome. So we'll see y'all tomorrow when we sell them. Bye. Bye. Good morning, y'all. We are on our way to the farmer's market, and it's also like a chicken swap, so we are on our way. We have our banana muffins and our kombucha, and even last night Mark made a chicken nesting box, right?
Yeah.
And you painted it?
Yeah.
So we got everything back here. We got the kombucha jars and the table. We'll probably need our table and then our sign, our kombucha sign. So yeah. Before we went to the farmer's market, we stopped at the Texas Boys Homestead, and I just had to jump out and show y'all their piglets. They are just so cute. We are here, y'all, and we're bringing everything to set up at our little table. And everyone's carrying something. We'll probably have to make a second trip to get the rest of the kombucha. But other than that, we're doing good.
Yeah, but he has a brown eye and a blue eye.
Okay.
Yes.
We we're back home now, y'all, and selling things at the farmer's market went really well. People loved the banana muffins, but no one wanted the kombucha. Last time we sold things at a different farmer's market, and people took a few of them, but this time none of them got sold. So I don't think it's a really known thing, or no one really knows what it is or kind of want it. So people like things that they can eat and snack and as they walk around. But the Texas boys sold hatching eggs, and those sold, and those did really good. And then they also tried elderberry cuttings. But I don't know, we were kind of still trying to figure out what people like and want. So yeah, it's doing pretty good. And Chubbs is all tired out from missing us. Huh, Chubbs? Do you have enough energy to say bye? No, I don't think he has enough energy to say bye to y'all. But anyways, thanks so much for watching, y'all, and I pray y'all have a really blessed day, and I'll see y'all later. Bye!